88% of all organic web traffic is now generated by artificial intelligence agents rather than human users. Anthropic has committed $100 million to a bounty program, paying researchers to find security vulnerabilities before automated hackers can find them first. In Santa Barbara, Google's Willow quantum chip just performed a calculation 13,000 times faster than the world's most powerful classical supercomputer. And the fintech giant Block recently cut 40% of its staff, specifically citing the integration of AI agents as the driver for the reduction. These 4 milestones represent a transition from AI we talk to AI that acts independently across the global economy. This chart shows machine-driven traffic crossing the 88% mark, following Anthropic's computer use model and Cursor 3's parallel deployment. A single developer can now orchestrate dozens of agents at once, solving problems across different branches of code without fatigue or downtime. As the majority of web users become machines, the purpose of a website changes. If an agent is the one browsing, the priority shifts from human-centric visual design to structured data feeds that a model can parse instantly. Software engineers and businesses are already prioritizing machine readability over the visual interfaces we have used for the last 30 years. This machine-centric web introduces new risks, which is why Anthropic is spending $100 million on defense. Security researchers recently found 30,000 instances of the OpenClaw agent framework running fully exposed on the public internet. Because OpenClaw allows agents to execute shell commands and run code, these 30,000 exposed instances represent unguarded entry points that can be hijacked to run malicious scripts at machine speed. Data from Palo Alto Networks shows that for every human employee in a large enterprise, there are now 82 machine identities, including scripts and autonomous service accounts. Human defenders can no longer manage a threat surface of this scale alone. As attackers use AI to find vulnerabilities, cybersecurity teams must deploy their own AI swarms just to keep pace with the volume of activity. To power these defensive systems, we need a massive leap in calculation speed. Google's Willow chip provides a glimpse of that scale, solving many body physics problems in minutes that would stall a classical supercomputer for years. This speed is a necessity because adversaries are currently using a strategy called Harvest Now, Decrypt Later, where they collect and store encrypted private data today, waiting for future hardware to crack the code. Research from Caltech and Google suggests that day is closer than previously thought. They have demonstrated a mathematical path that reduces the requirements to break standard encryption by a factor of 10, moving the threat of quantum code breaking into this decade. This creates a cycle where AI accelerates the sophistication of cyber attacks, which in turn forces quantum computing to scale faster to protect the global financial and data infrastructure. While these companies report record-breaking revenue, with Anthropic reaching an annualized $30 billion, they are simultaneously reducing their headcount. Microsoft, Meta, and Block have all cut thousands of roles despite being highly profitable. The cuts are hitting knowledge workers in the middle of the corporate funnel, junior developers, recruiters, and marketing operations staff whose tasks are now within the capability of autonomous software. We are seeing a structural substitution, where businesses are choosing to rely on software for tasks previously reserved for human employees. These trends form a self-reinforcing system. Autonomous agents create security risks, generating demand for high-speed quantum calculation. This hardware drives efficiency, automating complex work. Companies then redirect those saved budgets into AI infrastructure, fueling more capable agents and beginning the cycle again. 2 roles are positioned to remain relevant as the cycle accelerates: the agent orchestrator, who manages these swarms, and the judgment worker, who provides the ethics and context that machines cannot. Navigating this shift requires an understanding of how these layers of agentic software, security, and hardware stack together to drive business. Decisions about your career and financial security are happening within this automated system. Understanding this momentum is the only way to avoid its path.